So here is the latest video that I earned $25 from the site called CPA grip. All the things show evidence that I earned money from my YouTube channel, and I will tell you how I earned money. Now see how I earned $25 in 190 clicks. This is why I say subscribe to watch the videos I post, because I bring great videos. So new people subscribe, like, comment, share. First, I will show the countries where I have earned money with all the evidence. Here is everything to see. If you want videos, tell me more. I will upload every day. I completed leads from countries like India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Russia, and Canada. We can use methods to do this. I can post videos if you watch my YouTube videos and support me by leaving a comment, like and share. Because to watch my original videos, it is shown after withdrawing money from PayPal. I don't waste people's time by posting fake videos. First of all, we need to find out what is the offer we are making and to whom we are making that offer. Check which country you want to make the offer, and check which device you want to make the offer from. See what you need to do in the offer. After you have finished looking at everything we need to make the offer, I will use the best methods to make this. I will continue to give videos in the future. Right now, I am successfully doing some things one after the other. Subscribers will get the video. Check these and do them right. 100% the methods I give are successful, because I will give you the same money as I have tried. In this way, you can choose any country you want, choose an offer, watch videos on how to make it, and continue working. I have now received more than $150 in cash in less than a month. I have posted videos with all proofs. Don't look without looking, look properly. Comment those who have problems. So how can both new videos make money quickly? Subscribe. Watch the video as soon as it is posted. Don't forget to share the video. We can definitely earn more than $100 per month from this CPA grip website. Also, in those videos that you are watching my old videos, I told you how we can earn money from the website called CPA. We don't need to spend money on any of these things. First, we need to select an offer and create and share that offer. As soon as someone makes the offer, the wallet gets money. There is also the possibility to get the money at that time. Most of the European countries pay well. Above $10, we can find money. In this, we can earn money in many ways, like mobile subscriptions, app download, pin submit, email submit, complete surveys. We can earn a lot of money from countries like America, Australia, India, and Indonesia. We have to choose a country that we like and filter an offer related to that country, design it well, and share it. Then we get money from those who do it. Now I will show you this Indian offer. $0.08 is paid for this one offer. It is very easy to make this offer. I will show you that offer in the future, and I will also tell you how we can earn money by making this offer. Watch my videos and learn. Because affiliate marketing is the best way to make money and the best way to make money in the world. Choose Indian tasks as well as Indonesian tasks. Hour after hour, these jobs fall on these sites. That means there is a lot of traffic in these sites. What do you mean by giving more videos like this in the future? I have to remember one more thing. There are many other ways to complete these jobs. We can make an offer and buy the traffic from each website for a small amount to benefit us. Those who work on those websites can pay a small amount and give the job and get a big advantage through them. What about the new videos? You can comment and request anything you want. I will look at it and make those videos for you. I will continue to bring good videos like this. Keep subscribing.